Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiz. Today's challenge is guess the food. You will get 30 questions, 10 seconds for each one. One correct answer equal 1 point. Let's see how many can you get right. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe the Quiz. Let's start. Think fast, this flasky snake is a bakery favorite. It is a sausage roll. Crispy outside, soft inside. A kid's lunchbox classic. That's a fish finger. Cold, sweet and loaded with happiness. It is a banana split. Find the odd one out. You nailed it. Golden and crunchy. That's chicken fry. Simple, aromatic and comfort food at its best. It is the coconut rice. Smoky flavor with healthy twist. That's a smoky bean. Breakfast lover, this one's for you. It's egg toast. Small, round and luxury in every bite. That's a truffle ball. Layers of ice cream, sauce and joy. It is an ice cream sundae. Cheesy, simple and always satisfying. That's a cheese sandwich. Weird combo, but food lovers approve. It is a pickle pizza. Street food vibes on a stick. That's a corn dog. Warm, creamy and perfect for winter. It's mushroom soup. Juicy, round and full of flavor. That's a meatball. Classic comfort food straight from the oven. It is a chicken pot pie. A small cake, big happiness. That's a cupcake. Movie night feels in one bite. It is a popcorn. Simple, sunny, and protein packed. That's a fried egg. Breakfast pastry with a sweet surprise inside. It is a Pop-Tart. Raw, fresh, and rolled perfectly. That's the sushi. Tangy, cream, and super refreshing. It is a lime cheesecake. Crispy outside, juicy inside. Unbeatable combo. That's the fried chicken. Soft, baked, and perfect with coffee. It is a muffin. British classic with a crumbly bite. That's a scone. Fluffy pancakes loaded with chocolate chips. It is a chocolate chips pancake. Creamy, cold, and banana lovers' favorite. It is a banana ice cream. Juice patty, melt cheese, pure satisfaction. It is a cheeseburger. Crunchy snack you cannot stop eating. That's a potato chips. Rich, buttery, and dangerously addictive. It is a butterscotch.